Welcome back to Tech Bites with Leena, your go-to space for decoding tech careers, analytics, business roles, and real-world skills that actually help you move forward. If you're a student who feels overwhelmed by tech buzzwords, confused about where to start, or worried that you're already late in your career journey, you're absolutely in the right place. On this channel, we talk about business analyst and data analyst career paths, breaking into tech from non-tech backgrounds, practical skills you actually need, not textbook theory, and confidence-building experiences like projects, hackathons, and interviews. Many of you found this channel through my video, How to Become a Data Analyst as a Beginner. And one question kept coming up again and again. Where do we really apply what we learn? And that's where hackathons come in. Today's video is a complete beginner-friendly guide to hackathons. What they are, how students really use them, and how hackathons can become a confidence booster and career accelerator, even if you're just starting out. I've also created dedicated playlist on this channel, so after this video, just head to the channel page and follow the path that fits your goal. If practical tech guidance is what you're looking for, consider subscribing because here we grow step by step. Let's get started. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever seen hackathon announcements everywhere? Watched classmates post certificates and LinkedIn updates and thought, I don't belong here? Maybe you have told yourself, I don't know enough yet. I'll join later. I'll embarrass myself. Here's the truth no one says out loud. Most students feel this way. Hackathons look intimidating from the outside, but once you understand them, they become one of the safest places to learn. This video is not about winning trophies, it's about helping you start without fear. Let's simplify this completely. A hackathon is a short event, usually 24 to 48 hours, where individuals or teams build a solution to a real-world problem. That's it. No secret rules, no advanced requirements, no, you should already know this. Think of it like this. Your college or a company says, here's a problem, build something useful. You brainstorm, you build, you explain what you built. And no, hacking does not mean illegal activities. It means creative problem solving using technology. This part is important. Hackathons are not only for top coders, computer science toppers, students with 10 internships. Hackathons are for beginners, career switchers, non-tech students, people who are still figuring things out. Some students attend hackathons without knowing frameworks, without knowing advanced tools, without knowing if they'll finish. And they still learn more in 48 hours than in months of passive studying. If you can learn, you belong in a hackathon. Let's quickly break down the main types. College hackathons, best for first-timers, friendly environment, low pressure. Online hackathons, you participate from home, no travel, great for beginners. Company hackathons, often linked to internships, hiring challenges, or PPOs. Theme-based hackathons, healthcare, analytics, AI, education, climate, women in tech. You don't need to do all of them. You just need to start with one. Let's clear the biggest fear. I'm not ready yet. Truth, you'll never feel fully ready. I don't know enough. Truth, hackathons are designed for learning. Everyone else is better. Truth, everyone starts somewhere. I'll fail. Truth, there is no failure, only experience. Hackathons are not exams, they are practice grounds. You do not need to know everything. Minimum technical skills, one programming language, even basic. Ability to Google and learn fast, basic understanding of tools. But here's what matters more. Communication, problem understanding, time management, explaining your solution clearly. Judges prefer a simple working solution over a broken advanced idea. Let me walk you through a real flow. You register, you form a team or go solo. Problem statements are released, you brainstorm ideas, you build a solution, you submit your project, you present it. Yes, it feels chaotic. Yes, everyone feels confused, even winners. That's normal. Here's the beginner advantage. Simple idea, clear problem, small working demo, good explanation. Judges are humans. They value clarity over complexity. If you can explain what problem you saw, why it matters, how your solution helps, you're already ahead. Trying to build too much, ignoring presentation, not asking mentors, comparing yourself constantly, not sleeping at all. Hackathons rewards balance, not burnout. Hackathons don't just give certificates. They give confidence, clarity, project to talk about, stories for interviews, proof that you can build. They teach you how to think, and that's what careers are built on. Before we wrap up, reflect on this. If you watched this video and felt, maybe I can do this, maybe I'm not behind, then this video did its job. If you want clarity over confusion, progress over pressure, and practical guidance over random advice, make sure you're subscribed. Share this with your friends who are scared to start. This is Tech Bites with Leena. Learn, build, succeed. I'll see you in the next one.